Yeah, mommy, we are very okay, mom. No, mommy, she's just tired, you know. Okay, mom, I have to call you back now. Let me attend to my priority. Bye, mom. Hi. You slept well.
Yes, I did. Call me up.
No, 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 I don't want to stress you.
You don't want to stress me.
You know, you're my princess.
I want to be stressed. Okay,
All right,
you're ready already?
Yes, yes. Now, here you go. Look at that. Look at that.
I should carry this.
Don't worry, I got you. I got you, baby.
Baby, look at
Yeah,
my
I got
Jesus!
I told you. I got you. But you know we're going to fall from this place.
We're going to fall like Romeo and Juliet and we die together.
I don't think I want to die, baby.
Baby, you're the one that said you want to carry me. Jesus! Oh my God!
I did it! I did it!
Babe, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Babe, why are you sweating? It's just small carry now.
No, don't worry about that.
Baby, I'm sorry I couldn't make your breakfast.
No, don't worry about me. I'll grab something on my way to the office.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I love you.
I love you too, baby. Come here.
Let me see you off to work.
All right.
Baby! I want you to carry me when you come back.
Okay.
You have to carry me.
I'll carry you.
Welcome back, everyone. If you're just joining us, this is Hot Debate on Hotspot 96.6 FM. And I remain your favorite boy, Jimmy. Today's debate is on whether couples should get the house help at the early stage of their marriage, and which should it be, a male or a female. Now, this is the number to call: 091 66 54 7088. I repeat, 091 66 54 7088. Let's hear your own opinion with good reasons. Hello, Jimmy on the line. Hello? We lost that call. Please do back and let us know what you think on this topic for today's hot debate.
Hello, good morning. All right, this is Jeffrey. I'm calling from Sabah.
Alright, Jeffrey, go ahead and give us your opinion.
Okay, I strongly believe that there's no need for new couples to get house helps. You know, and if there must be a house help, it should be a female, not a male.
Why do you say so?
Reason because female are more level-headed, calculated, and more efficient in keeping houses. You know what I mean? Yeah, because house helps is not works for muscles. It's a female work. It's a female work. So I think if there must be a house help, then it should be a female and not a male. Yeah.
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you too.
We appreciate your opinion. All right, Jeffrey says that if there should be a house help, it should be female and not a male because he thinks that females are more efficient than the males. All right, we have the next caller, please. Next caller.
Welcome back, everyone. If you're just joining us, this is Hot Debate on Hotspot 96.6 FM. And I remain your favorite boy, Jimmy. Today's debate is on whether couples should get the house help at the early stage of their marriage, and which should it be, a male or a female. Now, this is the number to call: 091 66 54 7088. I repeat, 091 66 54 7088. Let's hear your own opinion with good reasons.
Mine is busy. Hello? Hello, Jumiti.
Alright, we have another call.
Hello, Jumiti. My name is Uju. I'm calling from Asaba.
Alright, would you maybe hear you?
Yes, my take on this issue is that, okay, first of all, I'm a newly wedded wife, and I don't think a newly wedded couple should have a problem with house help. For me, Uju, I would prefer a male house help to a female. Why? I feel men are hardworking, energetic, and really strong. Aside the females, their interest is trying to snatch the husband of the house from the wife. So for me, it's a male house help.
Alright, thank you. Thank you. Thank you for we appreciate your opinion.
Thank you. Imelda, it's been a minute, girl. I missed you.
I know you have, and I missed you too.
Oh my goodness. No. I said no, I have to pop my expensive wine because of you. Since I'm not be Abuja, I'll be big people for Abuja.
Relax.
What do you mean by relax? What do you mean by that? Girl, please manage my little.
Oh, please, thank you.
All right. So what's up? What has been happening with you?
I'm good now. You're a married woman now.
My dear, what can one do?
Let's do that.
Oh my goodness! Yay! So what's up?
Oh. Do you really have nice stuff here? Your husband must really be loaded.
Well, he's trying.
Okay. So you mean to tell me that you stay in this house alone every day, doing house chores and cooking?
Well, he goes to work in the morning and comes back in the evening, so I'm literally not alone in the house all day.
Would you, you know what I am trying to say? You're a graduate. Are you going to throw all that away because you got married?
He's the one working, he's catering for both of us, so, we agreed to this, babe.
So is that why you should reduce yourself to an ordinary housewife? Would you with your brain and certificate? Girl, God knows that can never be me.
We are happy. Yes, that's the most important thing, right?
I know you often get exhausted from the whole house chores and cooking things. At least get yourself a house help. Yes, in that way you are not entirely a housewife.
Okay, can we drop this topic, all right? You're very funny. So tell me, I heard you now own a boutique in Abuja.
Please,
Who is the Abuja Connect, babe?
No. There is no Abuja Connect. I am now a repented soul.
Are you sure?
So, or don't you want me to get married?
Are you sure?
Don't you want me to get married?
My sister, get married though. In fact, let's cheers to the getting married because you need it. Mrs. Oh, baby. My love.
How are you?
I'm fine.
It must have been timely, you know.
Let's just say it's a perfect coincidence.
Wow, and I heard you on the radio this morning.
I also heard you too. Are you hungry?
No, take me inside.
I should take you inside. Let me have your bag. Ooh, I should take you inside. I like the sound of that. Do you like it?
I love it.
Anyway.
You know, you're officially the best cook after my mom.
After your mom?
Yeah, after my mom.
All right.
Don't be jealous.
I'm not.
This is so delicious.
Thank you.
You said there was something you wanted to discuss with me.
Yes, I want to, but just finish up your food, then I'll tell you.
I'm not here.
Okay, babe, it's about the house chores, you know.
What is it? What is it about the house chores?
Babe, it's the house chores is becoming quite tedious, you know. I'll be needing a house help. Babe, I'm trying to understand what I'm saying. Doing the house chores is really tedious for me. It's stressful.
Are you even listening to yourself? Like, keeping your house is what you consider as tedious?
Babe, that's not what I mean.
What do you mean? What exactly is your point?
Baby, you're not being reasonable with me now, eh?
Oh, wait a moment. Because I didn't tell you that what you said on the radio was completely trash. So you think you can walk up to me and tell me this whole thing of house help, and I don't get it.
You're just impossible. I know, I missed you too. What are you even up to? Tell me. Oh, don't worry, I'll see you soon, okay? Yeah, I'm serious, I'll see you. Alright. Miss you. Yeah, bye. Bye-bye.
Who was that?
Who was what? Oh, that was my cousin.
I don't get it. Today is your nephew. The other day your brother. And now your cousin brother. Don't you have female relatives?
Babe, come on. I never said that was my brother. I said it was my cousin. Do I smell jealousy? Jealousy, is that you?
Listen, I'm not a kid. I know when a woman is talking to a man and when she's talking to a fellow woman. Alright? All these your male relatives that are calling you every day. I do not see anything yet.
Babe.
You wanted to break my plates because of you.
Well, that was my cup. Oh my goodness. Jeff, how dare you?
How dare me what?
And my schoolmate just called me and told me that my phone, someone blocked him through my phone, and you called him, and you threatened him not to ever call my number again. What is this now? What is all this?
Is that why you're shouting?
Why
are you shouting? Do you want to marry him instead?
Why are you childish? What is the meaning of all this? You keep embarrassing me. Have I ever picked up your phone and called your female friends or interrupted your calls? The other day my uncle called me and you called on the phone and you were yelling. What is this now? What's the core of your problem?
Why is that men are always calling you? Huh? Men.
Jeff. Jeff. I do not like this. You better stop it. This should stop this minute.
Or else what?
What is this now? What is this? What is it?
What was that for?
What was what for?
Why did you hit my hand like that?
I had a very tedious day. I was cooking, cleaning, sleeping. I was just literally doing everything. I am tired.
I won't make love to you. You're my wife.
Keep it to you. You want to force me? If you try it, I will blow you. I'm tired. Hold yourself.
If she wants a house help, then let her have one.
Mama, I don't even understand. Why does she need a house help? For what? Mama? I mean, what could be so tedious? You and Papa train all 8 of us without a housemaid. Why does she need a house help? Why?
That was then, Jeffrey. Things are different now. Your generation is softer than mine. Back then, a woman could be heavily pregnant and still do farm work. These days, 2 weeks into pregnancy and the woman is already acting like she is carrying Jesus Christ.
Exactly, Mama. Exactly. I don't just want my wife to be like that. I don't want it.
Jeffrey, both of you are married now. It's no longer about what you just want. Besides, getting a house help isn't a very big deal and shouldn't be causing problems in your marriage. If she wants one, let her have.
So what is your name?
My name is Betty Ejeyebua Ahofepa Pebi.
What is your experience?
Ma, see, so who employ me with a fear hanuma? Me say, me sure will fear you so come when you bet me one casa.
Just we have your number, we'll call you.
Next! Next!
Yes, I need a help.
Why?
I need.
Why didn't you employ the kama? Did I get it?
Which kama? I don't even understand what she's saying. I hardly heard what she said. I think she's from Ghana.
The next one will probably be worse.
What? Next!
Hello, sir.
Sit down, sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Or like other applicants, you dress like one going for a bank interview.
Oh, yes, sir.
I love that.
I dress to standards, sir.
Exactly. You're standing out already.
Thank you, sir.
What do you mean standing out? It's not about dressing up to standard. Okay, you are coming for the job of a house help, not a club outfit. This is a club. What is this boot? What is this boot all about?
Oh, ma. Sorry, ma. Just forget about the dressing. It's just for the interview, ma. I am good in what I do. I can clean your house very well. All your neighbors, so they will envy you. In fact, they are going to give you the award of, no, not award. They are going to crown you queen of the neatest compound in this estate.
I think I like her.
Yes, I can even bet you and your husband.
What?
I like her, yes.
Next! Please, excuse us, please. Excuse us, please. What do you mean I'm taking it personal? What's that?
She's interesting.
She's what?
Look at the way she's dressed. Corporate.
Please, just go. Next! What rubbish? What was that?
I don't know why you have to talk to her like that.
What do you mean I have to talk? Did you see the way who was I will take care of the house? And then what's that? Next!
Good day. Oh, okay, there's no way this man is not your uncle.
What do you mean?
Look at him.
Hello.
Thank you.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Please sit down.
Thank you.
Can you at least iron your trouser?
What is...
Sir, it's not like everybody in this country should know that
It's okay.
these people have not seen light, let alone we the poor masses.
Okay, it's fine.
And so God take down for me.
So what is your name?
Thank you, ma. My name na Chinaze Paulinus Mwafo. But my people, the first place where I work, they call me Poli. But the last place where I live before coming here, na Poli Pompo, they call me.
Poli Pompo.
Yeah, so if I start here, you can also change phantom your own. If you call me PPP, Popo, anything I can answer.
Okay, I think I'll call you Paulinus.
Oh, thank you. Very romantic. I like it that way.
Paulinus. The thing is, we're looking for a female.
Well, how many years experience do you have?
Madam, this one not be matter of how many years experience. My life is full of experience. There's nothing I have never seen in this life. When I was 2, I left my father's house for this job.
2 years.
My father handed me over to his Adanne. From Adanne, then from there, that's all our relations. There's no house I've never visited doing this job. And I grew up working for people, taking care of people. I settle family bilateral. When husband and wife is quarreling, I know how to calm them down. Yes, I have all the experiences. Whatever it takes to spice up a house, to make a house. In fact, every domestic work, I do it. I am good. There's no way, anytime you try me, you will see anything where you test me with, I must deliver.
I know.
Oh, yes.
You look like someone that will deliver.
I'm a deliverer, my dear.
I love him already.
First of all, he sat down without the permission of any of us.
But I asked him to sit down.
Okay, shit.
And then secondly, you are a man. We don't need a man.
I need him. He's capable of the job.
Yes.
Right?
Now them they do work now, pass everything. If you have a man, everything is covered.
You know what, Paulinus, I have your number. I will contact you very soon. I will hire you very soon.
Yes, my dear.
Okay.
If you hire me, you will not regret it.
I know.
Thank you so much. Napalo fine, no?
Thank you. I just did the interior.
Yeah.
I did the interior myself.
Oh, really? Wow.
Okay.
He's coming to steal. Now he's wearing beautiful palace.
Can you please excuse us, okay?
Okay, ma. Thank you very much.
Yes, I'll contact
Thank you.
So you see, I told you that I like him. I like him.
Of course.
I like him.
Madam, please don't forget my name.
Yeah, Paulinus.
Can you go? Can you go?
Can you just relax? Calm down. I like him. Paulinus.
Who's your name?
My name is MAIDS.
Okay. How many years experience do you have?
I've got 5 years.
5 years. It's not that I've seen somebody that leave you.
Please, next! Next! Next!
Please.
I said next. I don't want her. You should go. Go, go, go. I don't want you. Yes, good. Listen! You see what you cost? Have you seen what you got? They want to break the frame. Have you seen it?
Who caused it?
You caused it.
You are the one who is looking for a house help.
I have seen who I want. I want to choose Paulinus.
No, you are breaking out. Now, the next thing that will break in this house will be my TV.
It is Paulinus I want. Paulinus is final and solved. Tested and trusted.
I don't know what you have against ladies.
Oh, what do you mean I don't know what I have? It's Paulinus what I want.
You are a lady. You are supposed to like ladies.
I want a man. I want a man. This is what I want. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Oh my goodness. Baby. I'm happy.
That's good for you.
Baby, I know that you're not, you're doing this for me because I really need the help. Trust me, you won't regret it. I crossed my heart.
Yeah, I know. I made sure of that.
You made sure of it, right? Yeah. Oh.
Who's David?
Huh?
Who's David?
It's my cousin David.
Oh, yeah. David, put it on loudspeaker. Put it on loudspeaker.
On loudspeaker.
You're so handsome.
Oh, you're so beautiful.
If I catch you, no, police! Police, open this door! Open this door! Open this door! Police! Police! Open this door! Police, if I come out of this place!
Thank God you're not coming out.
Okay, Paulinus, I'm not shouting again. I'm not.
Oh, sweethearts. What? What is it? Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Thank God for what? What are you thanking God for? What are you thanking God for? Look at the breakfast I suffered to make this morning. You just ruined everything.
I'm so sorry. I was having a terrible dream.
Look at what you and your terrible dream has cost. I mean, I really suffered to make this breakfast. I wanted to thank you. I wanted to appreciate you for agreeing to get me a house help. Now look at this. Look at what you've caused.
Sorry.
I really wanted to make you breakfast in bed.
You make it again tomorrow. Sorry.
What was the dream about? God forbid. No. Hey. Prevention is better than cure. Prevention is better than cure. Hey.
For your family house.
If you don't know your work, let me help you do it. Thunder fire you. Instead of you to open gates, do what you are employed to do. You are here opening your mouth to ask me stupid questions. Are you okay? Okay, who you be? I am a personality. I'm a government official. Okay, Bodo, can't you see the way I'm dressed? Or don't I look like a government official to you? You're still asking who I am. I am a personality. If you must know, who are you?
As you get eye like this, you know, use and see. I may be the chief security officer of this house. Yeah, in short, the CSO here.
Where are you?
Who will they find?
No, where are you now? You say now you be chief security. Where do you will be chief security?
Who you be?
I don't tell you who I be. I say you be the chief security officer. At the end you put on CSO or RIP. I don't know the one where you put on. Echa. That means if say now you, this is why they see here. Now you the guy this house. Our life is in danger. Oh yes. Hey! Anybody who employ you put for this gate, that person is either something is wrong with that person or the person is wrong with something. Yeah. You alone is an insult to yourself.
Okay, come they go.
In case you don't know.
Excuse me. Allow him in.
Ma?
You can come, yeah.
Oh me la give am nanya. Oh me la give am nanya. My madam say let me in. Oh me la give am nanya. Yes, ma. I'm on my way. Did you hear her? I have come to stay. Should you hear her? See, for your information. Oh yes, madam, quite excused. You don't hear her, Abi. For your information, I'm a Tamite. If you do anyhow. Yes, ma. Yes, ma. You go collect.
So get back to your duty post.
Thank you, ma. See house. See person house. Chai. Your man, Dimma. Hey! Good thing is sweet. Just look at it. My village people think they have succeeded. They don't know that they're still Elena. God has placed me in a better and in a better position. Eh? They will live to see what I'll become. Oh. No leave, no transfer. Hey, that's why I could just stay here. Remain to take selfie. I will just carry my camera. Pakam. I'll come there like this again. Ah, oh, my boss. Welcome, sir. My pleasure to meet you again. I'm so happy, sir.
Who are you meeting? Oh, sweetheart.
What are you doing here?
Oh, I was setting the table for dinner.
In your father's house?
Yes, I was setting the dining table for dinner. I made okra soup and achi. You will like it.
In whose apartment are you doing that?
Please, excuse me. Is this not the lady from the interview?
Yes, Mom. My name is Olivia. Okay. Sorry, sir. Now you are here. Let me go and bring my bags.
Which bags? Which bags? I don't understand what's going on here.
Honey, I hired her to be our house.
Yes, sir. You can't possibly do that now. I already employed Paulinus. And he started work today and he's doing a fantastic job.
But sir, you can't do this to me. I've already started a job already, and I'm doing very well.
So shut up! Hey, wait, excuse me. Who are you?
You are doing well in whose house?
I'm about to do well.
In our apartment, sir.
What apartment? Does your father have an apartment?
Madam employed me.
She can't stay here.
Yes.
She cannot stay here.
Madam,
she won't stay here.
Madam have spoken, sir.
I'm good, ma. You will love me.
She can't love you, sir. Madam, you have the final say here, please.
Honey, let's talk inside.
How can you bring her here without you consulting? Hello, ma. I don't understand what you're saying. Hello, ma. No, don't tell me that. What do you mean by that? Wow.
Wow,
You said you made what? Archie and Uncle. Oh, you were a local fowl.
Achimbiri. Chiwagon.
Achimbiri.
Achimbiri Chukwogi Mafia.
Hey, I'm an Igbo girl.
You know, be only Igbo girl. You be Igbo girl. I don't see them for your eyes. They smoke Igbo. But you the smoke Igbo. You don't know the one why they smoke. If I join the one why they smoke, and if I enter, you no go like me. If you know what is good for you, leave this house. I am going to burn you. Look at
international made. With so much standard.
I better get out of this place. Out of this place. Bring what in.
I forgot to collect it from my boss. Okay, let me just wait for him.
You are going and you can never come back to this house.
Rubbish.
Look at her. What kind of nonsense? What kind of wahala come be this one? Why I just collect? Why I never start? I never do anything. Here. Come in here, make competition. What kind of nonsense cook be that one? This one why I cook here, not be food. You know how many hours it took me inside the kitchen blending achi and okra. It's a continental dish. Everybody would like. Madam, tell your husband no. I mean, tell him oh. Come and enter here, make I see you. Come and enter here, make I see you.
My love, what?
When did we agree that you are hiring that Paulinus guy?
Babes, I am the one looking for a help. So I felt like, I'm the one fit to get the help.
So even if you are the one that is fit to get the help, why must it be that guy? That Paulinus, that guy?
What do you have with Paulinus? Wait, do you have a problem with Paulinus or a male house help?
Both of them. There were a lot of qualified ladies, old and young, in that interview. Why did you not pick any of them? Old and young ladies. But instead, you choose that man, Paulinus. That's your uncle.
He's your uncle. What you? Oh! See, I saw your eyes. The way you were moping at that local fowl, that wore boots, kokoshu. I saw it. I know that she's your girlfriend. Maybe your ex-girlfriend from the village, but it will not work for you. I want Paulinus, and Paulinus will stay.
You're talking rubbish.
Okay.
You're talking nonsense.
Okay.
Now you listen and listen very carefully. I am the man of this house. And as the man of this house, my decision is final. Paulinus is leaving this house. We have Olivia now.
I am the woman of this house. I am your wife. I am the one who needs the help. So Paulinus must stay. Pauline Papa will stay.
Yes, Anene Denawai. Beautiful Anene. Barely 24 hours. You are now acting like a guilty cat.
Which one be guilty? Pussycat again.
You want to claim righteousness of where?
Yes.
You want to claim that you are Madam Righteous? Alright, wait. Let me go and report you to Oga and Madam.
No. It's my job. No be say I want chop am more. I just want check whether pepper there.
Let me say you want chop am.
I don't want chop am.
You want pray for am. Usually, your Virgin Maria start to. You want bow to it. Now you so wajiro again. You want do blessed sacrament. Garatire. Okay? You came here Walter. This place na sacristy where they pray. You want check whether pepper there. No be pepper. Na moringa. Na alligator pepper na in fact na account no tase. Everything, all the cooking equipment, ingredients, tractor, na in the pack. You don't taste them. It is sweet. I'm ashamed of you. I'm disappointed in you. Female thief. Why you she? Why you she? A rogue. Ole! Parawo. They're supposed to gather all the language in Nigeria. Bogi and Nishi. Come with him. Did you calm down? Before you marry Kanitofe, did you calm down? Why will I calm? If you know what is good for you, now share this meat in equal parts. Share it. Give me my own lion share. That is when peace will reign. Otherwise,
Share wetin?
share.
I don't share anything.
What?
I don't share.
You still get mouth. Mon kapante pray. I don't share anything. Abi? You know they share anything, Abi? You want to lose your job? You want to lose your...
No, Pauline.
After all, the job we are doing here is my job. We are sharing my job. So anything you want to eat in this house, we're going to share it. So share the meat. Give me, I eat, you eat. Otherwise, town crier. You know me now. Now still need a job.
Where are you going to? Where do you think you're going to?
I want to turn properly. You pierce my hand with your finger. Why are you holding me like that?
Take your time. I'm watching you.
You held me like as if your hand is strapped. You thought I was sleeping. Where are you going?
Where am I going?
Where are you going?
Where am I going?
Where are you going?
In my house.
You're standing up.
I want to go and use the restroom.
You just came out from the restroom now.
You are counting how many times I'll use the restroom. Eh?
I don't know why you are finding this thing offensive.
Hey.
You want to go and pee?
Yes, I want to go and pee.
Let's go.
You want to follow me?
Let's go now.
Go and follow me now.
What we discuss?
Sir, I dey crazy. That one a small mission. Relax. Sir, I am going to be your ear and eyes in this house whenever you're not around.
Let me know of their every move and whatever they discuss in this house.
Okay, sir. Sir, I gossip for a living. And they use gossip too. That one is my main area of specialization. You don't need to worry. I go to give information back to back information.
If you do a clean job, I will increase your salary after 1 month. I'm counting on you.
Give me information Yeah, Otuta! Open gate! Open that gate also, sir. Get it to anyhow. Come, sir! Go to the gate. Open it. You can move, sir. Come up for here. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
you see what just happened here now. Now this one they say person go dey for water, soap go enter his eye. You see what you just see what happened here now. It remains small thing make this nonsense girl jump on your husband, hug him, even run on that show. Now, because you told me before that Oga like make you bring in any house help. Why ain't go carry a woman for himself? Don't you think something is fishy? Something there happen. You can't be a fine woman like this. A sexy and seductive.
Oh, stop that.
Oh. I know why they talk so. Because women of these days, they can do anything. You go there for her, they go collect your husband, choke him in the name of house help.
Paulinus, you'll do something for me. I want you to keep an eye on those two. You report any suspicious movement amongst them. Am I understood?
Trust me. You have given me another post in this house. I work and I monitor. This is my real life. My father monitored the family until he died. And I'm taking over. Just don't worry. Go and sleep. Me. Don't worry. I will save your marriage. Nothing will happen to it in Jesus' name.
Amen. Very good.
How person go there in house, go to the people. You they jump pump, you they dance. They have given me space to monitor, to know, piam any movement. Piam! Hey, babe. Loose girl. Loose girl. You back home. And today you just enter. Don't they touch men chest. Any chest where grass there. My gaka. Not touch. I'm ashamed of you.
And that one they pay you. You pay you so I don't touch your dry chest.
Me? You touch me. What your hand go do for my body? Have you reached the class of people where they touch my body?
Really?
Go out there and see how then they rush me. Then they rush me. People who don't rush me. If I tell you how many people don't die because of me, you go break, your neck go break.
No problem. So they go rush you go hospital. They go rush you go hospital, Paulinus. Yes, because you see my maternal day, you go die. They go rush you go hospital very soon. Paulinus, see you, classless man. Which people they touch you? If not primary school children, dirty children, whenever brush, now they touch you, and then be your level.
So they call me pedophile?
Yes, now what you be?
Me pedophile.
You be pedophile.
Where they collect small children?
Yes, you be King Kankatan. You be King Kankatan.
If I show you, if I bring out my diary of contact and show you the number of widows and all these sugar ladies where they rush me. Big people will carry big jeep. Yes. Oh yes.
All these people that
yes. The older the
that
sweeter.
That is the people who will pursue you.
The older the sweeter.
You are an old man.
Oh yes. Old age is a blessing.
Lele.
Old age is a blessing.
Mind your business.
You will be young girl. Look at the kind of attachment, dry bone will no go ever rise again. See where you dey. You irritate me. You detest me.
Mind your business. If you don't want to make I touch your own dry chest, leave me make I touch the dry chest like that. It is none of your business, so mind your business, so.
Don't they run mouth now? I don't leave you now. Typewriter, old engine now. Grinding machine. After you don't run your mouth finish very soon, 9 month consequence go come follow you. They get us out of wedlock. They get us.
That will not be new thing now. That one na every woman's dream to born.
Outside marriage.
Yes, so anyhow when they want born, and what say you born?
You go born by fire.
Children are blessing from God. Anyhow anyhow when you come now blessing, so don't they shame anybody. If you go for house now something, don't they talk like that. You hear me? So as I did like this, I never need to become onion name. No, I am.
Foolish mother. Mothers are not useless. They are not loose. Mothers are checkoted. Mothers are those with pride and prestige, and not those who they get wrong home. Swimming pool. Come on, get up. Stupid boy.
Paulinus, what be this one now?
What be waiting? You don't get shame. Shame don't finish for your eyes. So there's nothing you can do again in this estate than to sit down here, open your chest, to have one they here they sleep.
Paulinus, I beg. What be your problem?
Now you be my problem. Your papa, anybody will born you, now you be my problem. Any woman will enter the room where we call you more sharekage is my problem. Anybody will give birth to you, that person now you be my problem. So there's nothing you can do again in your life. That open your heart for small girl where don't enter. That little thing where just enter here. Yes, that small housemaid. You don't carry chest open for. And then there's a take you track and walk. I'm ashamed of you.
Now I know your problem. Now I know where your source they come from. So you don't watch us since.
Huh? Watch you. Say you be Z1. Or you be Lukububa. Or Mike Ejara. Ewu Telemundu. Ew. Rattlesnake. Damn. I they watch you. Or you because you okay music. I can't shower. The time I go use the watch you. I will just take and go for one shrine. Okay. They are the watcher. Me watch you. Now God now they watch you. Heaven and earth now then they watch you. And the four corners of this compound they are watching you. Very soon your cup go full. Be useful, get semba. You may run ki case. That's why they watch you. Amadu Hamabu Kudi.
Paulinus, I beg, mind your business. Mind yourself for this compound. No wonder where you just the waka like Ozu, like that body where they know very well. What's it that worry you? If you don't walk like Ozu and Aquara of ma, no bring and come my lane.
To talk about tomato. Now me you talk to. Now me be that body where they never bury. Where they waka here was an Aquara. Me of all people. Poly Pompo.
What if you do?
What did I feel do?
Okay, you know if you do anything. Now just respect.
I don't go fit do anything. I don't go fit do anything.
Now just respect and they respect
you.
You
don't just respect with that one. Don't give me any respect. No, give me prayer and I prayer. Don't fire you, fire anybody upon you.
It's okay prayer.
Don't let us pray. Give it.
It's okay prayer.
What? You come on barrett for me.
Can prayer now?
What was Paulino doing in this room in my absence?
Are you asking me that?
No! I am asking your ghost. What was he doing in this room in my absence?
I don't understand this. I honestly don't understand. How would you even know when Paulinus comes to this room? Or do we have a surveillance camera around here?
Is that the issue now? Don't even try to divert.
Divert what? Divert what? What is wrong? What is your problem, honestly? Why do you have a problem with any man around me? What is it? What is it?
Oh, you are trying to play the victim card now. Uju, I met you in a notorious hotel.
Oh.
We had a quickie instantly. That kind of a woman is not the type a man would marry and give a free hand.
And you are the type of man that I will give a free hand. A man that meets a woman for the first time and takes her to a tight corner for a quickie. Should a wife leave that man with a free hand? You tell me. Look at you. You met me. Oh, okay, now let's go back to the past, right? We want to go down there? Let's go down that road. Look at you. You met me the first time and we had a quickie, and now you want to bring it up? You're not even ashamed of yourself. But get out!
I wouldn't be surprised if you still go about dashing quickies to every man that touches you, including that lunatic, in my matrimonial bed!
You are mad! You are stupid! And I wouldn't be surprised if you still go back to that hotel! Idiot!
You look at me in the eye!
I said you're mad!
You... Uju, I will strangle you! God knows, I'll kill you and that bastard!
Daughter of Jezebel, what have you done this time? I'm asking you.
The question should be, what have I not done this time? Oga, you better go up there and say the truth, so that all this quarrel will end.
Just look at you. Look at the little brain God has given to you. See what you use and they do. Small chicory brain will be like brain monkey, brain anyway. Look at what you are doing with it.
You that God gave mighty brain, what have you achieved with it? Nothing. If I go do go give me money. Yes.
No, if you just enter my room now.
Don't worry, I will come, but you give me money. It's money that I want. First say, no. I kiss you for mouth. Kiss.
No, why did they come out? That one a medicine after date. I don't see you like this, I don't see you. No, come pay there, man. You come out to this world to chop shit. No, put mouth and chop shit. I'm ashamed of both of you. Just look at what you people are doing. See where they do in our own love. Common prestige and I don't get. In fact, fear.
Only. Let me come and be going, eh? If I go use vex, keep person so.
It's okay.
I'll see you later. Yeah?
Can't go over there.
Dirty rag. Hey, wait. Paulinus. Hey, God. Now I am convinced that you were sent from my village to torment me. My village people, they send you to torment me, but you have failed, though. You have failed.
Sometimes, I wonder the kind God will crave some women. Have you for one day come out in the morning, stand for mirror like this, then look at yourself from head to toe? Have you?
Yes, and I will miss more word, though. Miss Word, you know, baby. Yes.
You will miss Gates. Affair, you will tell me to stop interfering in your dirty local affair. This one now you they call affair. Affair backyard. Affair get man and cook, and you are happy. So tomorrow now, what is your tomorrow going to be like?
I should be asking you that one. No, I should be asking you that one.
Kind person, what would your tomorrow be like?
I should be asking you that one.
You should be asking me.
You are jealous. It is jealousy that is killing you. You think it's by wearing skirt? Very soon they will sack you from this house. They will sack you. Rubbish. You think it's by wearing skirt? Rubbish. Nonsense. You think it's by wearing skirt? Don't worry, they will sack you.
Us independent, oh, in the sweet us. I'll see the pendant that the mind is sweet us. Pepe them, bola de pepe them, oh, pepe them, bola de pepe them, oh, pepe them, bola de pepe them, oh, pepe them, bola de pepe them, oh.
Satan down for Fogota, macham, macham.
Pepe them, oh, pepe them.
Fati bomba down for Fogota, macham, macham.
Pepe them.
Fati bomba down for Fogota, oh, macham, macham.
As the pendant in the fetus, as the pendant in the fetus.
Fati bomba down for Fogota, oh, for Bob, you don't fall for Gota. Macham good for nothing, don't fall for Gota. Macham, macham. Ooh, macham, macham. Devil, I see now you. Oh, devil, I see now you. Oh, devil, I see now you. Devil, I see now you. Devil, I see now you. Oh, devil, I see now you. Oh, devil, I see now you. Oh, devil, I see now you. Devil, I see now you.
You're pointing me and calling me devil?
No,
you are the devil himself.
Wait, honey, wait. Are you calling my husband a devil?
No, ma. Not the man devil. The woman devil, ma. I see now. Devil. Jehovah is my name.
Paulinus, well done.
My pleasure.
What is it? Is everything okay?
No, not well.
What is it? What's the problem?
Okay, your face is not bright.
Olivia.
What is it?
Olivia, what's the meaning of this?
I don't understand, sir. What is it?
You don't understand that you want to kill me?
Me? Kill you? God forbid. Me will never kill cockroach before. Now you I won't kill. You will be my favorite boss. Huh?
A grown-up woman like you cook pepper in the name of egusi.
No wonder she was singing. He they pepper them. No, you don't carry the pepper. Pour.
Mind your business, Mind your business,
Please, I'm eating. Don't spit on my food.
Don't even bother yourself. If he wants to eat, he will let you know. Since this foolish girl cannot prepare something.
No, ma, I don't want to kill anybody.
Yes, they carry themselves around.
I don't blame you.
Hey.
What happened?
Oga, endure it, okay?
Madam, what happened?
No wonder when you were cooking in the kitchen, you were singing Pepe Demo.
Oh,
really? Just now.
We are fly out from here.
No, ma.
You don't prepare him.
Hello? Have this nonsense out of here.
Take it out.
Thank you for making this delicious meal.
Oh, I will do more. Do you care for yam pepper soup or cocoyam pepper soup?
Cocoyam pepper soup? Paulinus, you want to finish me in my house? I'm okay with this one. Huh?
I can even prepare cassie and achi. I will garnish it with salt.
No, that will spoil my tummy. I'm okay with this one.
No, you will like it.
You want to force me? Huh?
They cook it in Mexico.
In where?
Mexico.
Then what? Paulinus.
Ma,
any news?
Yes. A very big news.
Tell me.
Oga is making a call. And my spirit is telling me he's talking to a woman.
Huh?
Oh yes, because he's...
Okay, no problem. Paulinus, you know what? Take it. I will catch him red-handed now.
Yes.
Which way is he?
Outside. Yes. Hey! Onwe Igbo katara aka. Yes. Where they go? Go. So if I allow you now, you go enter here.
Paulinus, what happened?
Enter and make I see.
Paulinus.
I'm not going in.
Paulinus, that your 70 times 70 demons don't come again this afternoon.
They don't come. They don't come. You hear them? They don't come. In fact, I even imported more 3 trailers of 70 times 1 million trailers of demons. They have come to stop you from manifesting. All those things where they make you, the head going to do like this. I have called them to come and stop you from operating.
Well, Paulinus, you see those your demons, they are still sucking breasts. Yes! They are still sucking breasts. Paulinus, for the very last time, if you do not leave my way, I am going to unleash my own demons. They are going to come with horns and vampire teeth. Get out!
Hey! Finally, the truth is out. I said it. I said it that you are not acting with your clear eyes. No wonder. No wonder. So, you are possessed. I know it that someday, something, somewhere, someplace, something is not just normal with you.
Okay.
So you are one of them. Witchcraft. Your madam sent you to come and destroy and to unleash and demolish.
Yes.
But the word of God said, I have come to give you life and give you life in fullness. I will deliver you by fire, by force.
I will get you. Yes. Leave him alone. Leave him alone, sister. Leave him now.
What is your problem for this house, this man?
I don't know.
I go change them for you for this house.
Madam Georgina, you don't fly like lizard. I got my lizard full. Fam. You don't come, you go change them for me. You dey change them for people. You never change your life. You still they forget. You go change them for me. Somebody where God has anointed. An anointed man of God. That God brought to deliver people from their shackle of the oracle. You open my face, you change that. Just try him. I go just finish you. I go untie you.
You know what you do anything.
Paulinus, warn him, oh.
One who?
Warn him!
Why you go
I don't want you.
Warn him!
I am warning you again.
Warn him, oh.
For the last time.
I say go warn me and you are warming me. You will food warmer. Come and warn me, let me see. You come up my cap. You come up my cap. I'm a woman. Witchcraft. Don't bite me for breath. You don't bite me for breath. You don't shoot me the baby. You don't shoot me the baby. Oh!
Who is she? Who is she? Who is she?
Who is who?
The lady you were talking to on the phone. Oh, you think I didn't hear you? I heard everything. Who is she?
So I can't have privacy in my house again?
Oh, please, do not even try to bring that leg with me. Don't even try it! Who is the slut you were talking to on the phone?
You know what? I'm not in the mood for any of this.
Ah.
How did you even know I'm here?
That is not the point. That is not the point. You are cheating on me. Look at your eyes. You are cheating on me. But that's not telling me who this lady is. Before. Who is the lady?
You're blocking my way.
Who is she? Who is she?
Excuse me.
You must say, who is she? Who is the woman that you're talking to on the phone?
If I have a problem, no, talk. If I... Let me help you.
Leave him alone! Leave him alone!
Come.
What have you done this time?
The same thing you did the other day. Two can play the game.
What are you talking about?
It's not your business.
So, what is it that you want to tell me?
Okay. I strongly believe that Paulinus and Madame have the same arrangement you had. Yes.
Why do you say so?
How, Oga? I don't pay for this game, oh. I don't pay. Eh? Do you think it's just a coincidence that Madame sneaked in on you when you were making that call? No, now. Eh? Plus, I've been watching Paulinus. How he has been following you up and down in this house. Bottom to bottom. Nyash to nyash. Everywhere you go like MTN. Eh?
So that's so easy. Has the guts to be spying on me. Thank you for this information.
You are concerned.
I will make sure that he leaves this house.
Exactly! Now you are talking. Let him pack and go. Before he breaks your marriage, let him pack and go. Okay, sir. Let him pack and go. Pack and go.
Hello? Hello? Sweetheart. I'm fine. How are you doing? Oh, no, I'm fine. I'm okay. So then let me call you back. I'll call you later. What is it?
Who is your sweetheart?
Is that why you're shouting?
So this is what you do? Are you okay?
I'm okay. Do you think you're the only one that knows how to cheat? It's my time and it's my turn. I will cheat on you.
You should be ashamed of yourself.
You
should. Now you are going to give me that phone. The way you are going, I will beat you one day in this house.
You will beat me?
Yes.
I'm going to give it to you bumper to bumper. You mean he's cheating? Yeah, I'm talking back.
Now give me that phone.
Take now. No.
I don't have the strength to be running around with you.
Stop it. I don't like it.
At the count of 3.
1.
Give me that phone.
2, 3.
I'm cheating in my house.
I'm not cheating on you.
Polly Pompo. I told them to be calling me beep 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 pop pop pop. Little nice remote car. Oga is saying sense. He think he is wise. Oma that I am the producer of Wiser. Look at small Olivia. He want to use the little Olivia to chase me out of this house. Without knowing that Davido sang a song unavailable. But my own, I'm singing it. I am available. They go, yeah, Pepe, hey, I am available. Hey, let me see you go, lo. Olivia one name go lo 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 igala. Hey, where the cup of pepper there, beg make I grand pepper.
What do you what do you want what do you want my phone with? Eh? What do you need my phone for? Eh?
I'm not sleeping.
Why am I not sleeping?
Why you still awake?
Is that a question?
Yes.
Is that what you should be is that what I'm asking you? What do you want with my phone?
Why you awake? Oh, I see. Oh, you want me to sleep so that you can go to Paulino's room, eh?
Hi. You know, the fact that you think of me low is what breaks my heart. Look at you. Look at your eyes. Apollo eyes. You think I don't know your plan? Or you think if I want to even do something with another man, it's Paulinus, that coconut head, me, I won't try it. You think I don't know your plan? You want to go and meet that swine you brought to this house as your help. I know she's your girlfriend, but I beat you up to your game. I beat you up to your game.
You and I know that you are the one who has problem with being faithful and not me.
You are the unfaithful one. Look at you. You that have women all over your comment section on all your social media, your Facebook, your TikTok, your Instagram, everywhere. Women commenting. Okay, tell me, why did you lock your phone? Why did you lock your phone if you don't have any ulterior motive? I have my phone open. You're always accessing my phone. But why can't I access your phone?
I don't understand. You don't know that my phone is my privacy?
Oh, mine is not.
You see, that's the problem with you. You like to equal yourself with men. I am a man. I am the man of this house. Your man. It's my duty. I have the right to look at your phone wherever and anytime I want to. You don't have the right.
They play. You lie. You think I'm an ancient woman. You want to put me as an ancient woman. In fact, I'm in the Gen Z generation. Yes, I go with the trend. You should go with the trend. Embrace the change. Embrace it.
So right now, what you are saying is that you're not sleeping tonight.
No sleeping tonight. I open my eye with that ear. Open our eyes.
And let's keep watching.
Good. I like it.
But I don't know why you're looking at me. Why are you looking at me?
I'm keeping watch at you. I'm watching you. You're not going anywhere.
You got your eyes on me.
Yes.
Let's look at each other.
If you think because you have married my daughter, you can do anyhow you want with her, that's a lie. I am still her mother, and as long as I live, I will always fight for her. Why can't you men keep your legs in your home? Must you abandon your wives and run after other women, especially small girl?
Mama, I don't know what Uju told you, but I want you to know that it's nothing serious.
It's that serious. Otherwise, she wouldn't be crying.
Really? She was crying?
No. She was laughing and jubilating that her husband is cheating on her and looking for a way to cheat on her with a house help. If anything happens to my daughter, Jeffrey, if anything happens to her,
Hello, Mommy.
What are you doing to that poor girl? We didn't bring you up this way. Your father and I didn't put in all that energy to raise an irresponsible man. Why are you bringing shame to us, Jeffrey? I don't want to hear any complaint again.
You called your mom and mine to report that I'm cheating on you.
Are you not?
Uju, if there's anyone who has the tendency of cheating in this marriage, that person is you. I know where I met you. I know you had a lot of men around you. Probably you still have them running around you. No man would easily forget this asset of yours in a hurry. So you're the one who has the tendency of cheating.
This is what I got married to. I've been asking myself that question. Because you are the most childish, in fact, you should be awarded the most childish husband of the year. That place you met me, was it your spirit that met me there? That place you met me, what are you coming there to do? If you decide to judge me for the rest of my life with where you met me, then I will equally judge you for the rest of my life. I am disappointed. You really hurt me right now, you know? You do not have the right to judge me with my past. Because I have never, you promised me you would never do that to me. You hurt me, you hurt me so bad. You've hurt me.
Babe, I'm sorry. Can we stop this already?
Yes, we can, because I'm honestly not enjoying it.
Then let's send Paulinus and Olivia away. Let's continue our life.
Well, while we're at that, can you please stop with the trust issues? Because you're breaking me.
I promise. No more trust issues. Come here, I'll stop. I hate to see you cry. I'm sorry, okay?
Talk about love.
I love this.
Talk about trust. That's all we need to live together. I'll show you my heart, then you show me yours. We'll have to believe in what we share. When I say that I love you, I mean it. When I said I do, I mean every word of it, yeah. When I keep mute, was cause I need your gentle words on me, yeah. When I shout, was cause I need you to see my heart, yeah. Trust and love, trust and love. That's all I need to live together, yeah. Trust and love, oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Trust and love, baby. Trust and love. That's all we need to live together now. Can you read me like a book? Know every of my mood, baby. You really need to know that you're my everything. Every night when I sleep, I need to sleep in your arms, baby. In the morning when I wake, I need you to be my peace, baby. Can we stop the fighting? Stop the fighting. And all the nagging. Can we just say no to all the bickering? Let's make our home.
What did I just saw in there? Did you see what I saw?
Nah. If I say I don't see I'm a liar. I'm short of words. For the first time, see Madam and Oga. They do lovey. Think get a CBO.
Get a CBO. When did that one happen?
It happened now. They ask me when did that one happen?
Hey, because why are they asked? Because what are they? I don't know what thing will happen to us.
To us?
Yes.
Which people will be us?
Me and you.
Wait. Shh. Which one be you and me? It is you that something will happen to.
How?
Oh yes.
We are the same.
How are we the same? How the same are we?
We are cooks.
Go. You will go. No, go bring yourself. Say what thing will happen to us. If there's anybody, anything will happen to, it is you.
God forbid.
Oh yes. You should know about that because you are Oga's subject and I am Madam's subject. So Oga have reconciled with the wife. Oga have regained his senses. The man have regained his consciousness. So he will now connive with the wife. Let them carry the aguishi, go back to where they carry and come from. So you are leaving this house very soon. If you know what is good for you, enter that toilet. You see all those your shokoto, those your big pants where they hang there every time. Panty be like duvet. Go there, go pack all of them. Begin to arrange your things because very soon, you know the music where you go dance. I am
very sure of that. I am very sure you are the one that is going.
Where will I go?
You will go.
How will I go?
How will you go? Look at you. I thought you have sense.
Yeah.
Between man and woman who get house, now man. And I am Oga's favorite. Ella.
You Oga fertilizer. Go and sit down. Which are Oga favorite? You Oga shop right. We be favorite. Waiting the wife come be. So now where you place yourself before? Yes. That is the problem. You are having issues here because you place yourself as the madam of the house without knowing that you are an ordinary cook. Say, now this is where they cook here.
It is you that will go.
You are go. In fact, you will gone so soon.
In fact, you have just gone. If you have gone finished.
You will gone now.
Talking about
I dreamed where you backed away. You have gone.
We are not discussing how you left this house.
Please go get behind me, Satan.
Look at you, devil. You have gone.
Instead of you to come back to Papa.
Lucy,
I have what you want.
What is it?
But you left here and you are going there.
Where?
This place, the other place will also quag.
Nothing will quam. You come back to you.
Come back to me.
To do what with a shimel?
You are under my capacity.
You are very scared.
See where you are.
You can get out from here. Let me think about my life.
Get out from here. I carry waiting you
want. It's not me to date you. I will go and date a vomit.
Olive oil.
I have warned you. Stop calling me olive oil. My name is Olivia.
Oh, come on, shut up. Shut up. What you go do? Where did they get the olive from? From olive oil, they just come out the oil because they know say oil know they your head. And they cut the oil, come out, happen to go olive. And you are walking around.
Very scared. You are a confused woman.
Popping up like a pop.
I will never date you. Look at you, confused human being. She-man.
Me go come date you. Me go come date you. Come and eat again.
Get out from here. Let me think about my life. Because let me know who is going and who is not going.
Me here, bravo. Come here, bravo. You look me finish. Come here, bravo. I catch my dagger. I will show you. Look me finish. Handsome nigga like me. Where women they rush.
Who they rush you?
Don't worry.
Anybody where they rush you, you don't get future, you don't get plans. You are what? If you are one person now, you Paulinus, get out from here. Rubbish. This is because they keep you quiet, they talk anyhow.
Me what? Okay. We shall see.
God forbid. You live here, leave this my house. One minute, Paulinus will be the one to go. What is all this? Please swear for me. The other house that's what they sack me. This one they want to come and sack me. No.
the police will go.
Now you stop right there. You are going to leave this house. You are leaving this house. You are leaving. Keep quiet. Yes, you will leave this house. You will leave this house. I've got. Listen to me. I've gotten my wife in the place where I want her. Okay? I have convinced her that I'm going to send you away, so that she can send Paulinos away too. Yes, you are going to leave. You will leave. What's wrong with you? Don't make noise. Don't make noise. Don't make noise. If I am very correct, they are somewhere in the house watching me. But you're going to leave. Go in. You see, I'm acting differently from what I'm saying because I know that they are watching me. Yes. All right? But you will leave. Yeah, no, sir. Your own is too much in this house. Give me that.
Agumai. Odogu kariri odogu. Why ibe ya? What you do not know does not exist. In fact, agumai de mama mbombo. Hey, agumai de mama mbombo. Yeti mereze na madapo gina ya.
You know, he thought he's smart.
I know.
He said I should do away with you. Me do away with you. Hey. It's not possible. I just made him believe that I would do away with you.
Hey, yeah. You're making me blush. In fact, oh.
Paulinus, please leave me alone.
Thank you very much. I have come to stay.
I'll stay, you will.
A whim comes, no leave, no transfer.
Okay.
I let when below him for sale. If you lift me up, I said, no. You put on my
And as for that, Olivia, don't worry. Very soon, she will leave this house. Good.
I trust you. I trust you. You're a woman of your word. When you speak, it happens.
It happens.
No, you. In fact, nobody will. I cannot compare you with any other person.
Thank you.
You're a woman of your word. When you speak, it comes to pass.
Exactly.
In fact, the second God of our own time.
It's okay.
Thank you very much. I'm so happy.
I have a surprise for you.
Really?
Yes.
Another Hey! The carry now why? Hey, the beauty of our time.
I'm coming.
What kind of life be this? What will I tell my village people? What will I go tell my kinsmen? Now work I come work, and I came to stay and not to come and pack and go. Bingo! Bingo, you shut up your mouth too. Caterpillar, what is there?
This is not your fault.
I can't take me my fault. Busu. Nonsense olive oil. When did they take
cure mad people for church. You say now 1 year one wey no dey even gree cure mad person. Away and away must still the person go dey mad dey go. If you hadn't come in this house, all this nonsense no go dey happen. Satan, the wife of Satan, wife of Satan, Herod, you be Herod. Ambulance. Wokozu. You know where people they go. The year man. Pauline nigga. Pauline your mother there. Shut up! Mami water. Waka.
Yes. Police must leave this house.
So what you did? You never go.
I'm still packing. You never go.
Belle, they do me somehow. They get stomach obsession. So I say make I wait small. So I say make I empty my stomach before going. I don't want to leave this house with what I ate here. So everything I eat in this house, I must make sure I shit them off. So if I enter that WC now, God no. Now I go carry my things and leave.
Okay, well, I hope you make your stomach. I hope you make you stop quick, so you go feel pack, see light, go, make you quick go.
Thank you.
So me, let me go back to my packing.
Oh, better. Go continue.
You to go shit so that you go go.
Oh, thank you. One pack well.
You don't want to go again?
You too, you don't want to go pack again? Yeah. Oh, nam. Why you dey look me? Shall we say you want to go pack?
Let me say you want to go shit. Shit now.
Yeah. Some way you turn slow motion like this. Madam, go now, go pack your thing. You too, now guilty conscience could go kill you.
Go now.
You go now. Go. Go now.
Go now.
Olivia, I thought he asked you to leave.
Paulinus! Paulinus!
Yes, sir.
What are you still doing in this house?
Awesome.
You did not ask Paulinus to leave.
Same way you did not ask Olivia to leave. I mean, what do you take me for? A fool? Olivia should be the first to leave.
Why? I hired Olivia. And as the man of the house, I said Paulinus should leave first.
As the woman of the house, Paulinus stays. I'm the one who asked for help. So I deserve to get the person who stays. So Paulinus will stay.
Fine. You have your help. I have my own help.
Fine.
What is it you've been looking for?
I'm looking for one of my pants.
Did you check the other rooms?
Other room? What will you be doing there? After I washed it, I can't find it.
I don't know. I'm just saying.
Let me see, check.
Sir, should I call more juice?
No, I'm fine.
Okay, sir.
Madam, hope there is enough curry the way you
Very perfect. I love it.
I made it with so many curriculum.
I know.
That's why it was well packaged.
Polly, I saw one pant inside your room. Yes. And I was wondering what a woman's pant is doing in your room.
Oh, wait a minute. You saw a woman panting in my room or a woman's pant near her pant?
What kind of rubbish question is that? Okay, come on, Igbo. Ahorum dross. A bante inside your room. I saw pant, a woman's pant inside your room.
A woman's pant inside my room. How possible is that?
Imagine.
What a woman pant they do for my room?
Can you imagine? You're asking me. You're asking me.
You check well, not be your own.
How? Me and you they share the same room. Just keep quiet.
Olivia.
Sir.
Please, can I see the pant?
Oh, you do want your room. With all pleasure, sir. Sir, see the pants here.
What?
Yes, sir.
That's the pants I've been looking for. Is my pants.
Really?
Yes, this one.
See the pants.
Give me my pants. Give me this pants. What is wrong with you? This is the pants I've been looking for.
What the hell is your pants doing in Paulinus' room?
I don't know.
Please, Oga, I think there is a mix-up somewhere. She needs to explain more for us because I don't understand.
You don't understand what it? Sir, I even saw the pants on top of his bed.
Shut up your dirty mouth. What's wrong with you?
See, Oga, from the look of things, at least you of all people should know that from what we are seeing here, this pant is too small to accommodate this.
How did you know? Hey, Paulinusu!
You're exposing yourself. I don't know how my pants got in his room.
Would you want your pants in Paulinus' room?
Now, so we see him.
I
don't know how. Honey, I swear.
Okay, come finish your food.
Hello.
Okay, says conspiracy here. Which is a conspiracy? Oh, my God.
I swear, I don't know how this pants got into his room.
Jesus. You don't know how your pants got into his room?
No.
He does not know how the pants got into his room.
I don't know.
Alright, let me tell you how the pants got into his room. The pants developed wings and flew into his room. Yes, that is how the pants got into his room.
You know, come to think of it, Olivia and Paulinus are not in good terms. And Olivia was the one that saw the pants, right? So what was Olivia looking for in Paulinus' room? You see, there's something happening here now. Can you see it? And I know that you want Paulinus out of this house. So as Olivia. So there's a gang up somewhere. So tell me, how did the pants get into Paulinus' room?
Are you not talking nonsense?
How?
You are talking Arab nonsense. Look, I know nothing about this.
I do not believe you. I do not believe you one bit.
You know what? I'm not going to stand here and watch you twist this matter in your favor. That Paulinus guy is leaving this house now.
Eh?
Watch me.
Paulinus is not going anywhere.
Watch me!
He's not going anywhere. He's not going anywhere.
Olive oil.
Ano.
See,
there's many fish. You don't even have shame.
Crayfish.
Shameless Hugo.
You are a shameless
I will never
woman
date
God.
you.
You must
I
get
will
me.
not date you.
See, I go get you.
You will get who?
I go
get who?
See, I want.
You need to go and carry money. If you get money, I will go and get
Nothing will happen to me. You blood will flow today. Lord of Jesus. Lord of Jesus. Lord of Jesus. Lord of Jesus.
Stop this thing now. I don't like this. Stop this thing now. Stop this now. Hey, stop it. Stop. Kill him. Kill him.
No.
Yeah. Kill him.
I will
kill him.
Better you.
Yes, kill him. Yeah. You want to challenge me for this house? Kill him. Nonsense. You don't know me. Kill him. No, stop there. Stop there.
No go that door.
Who is that? Who talk that one? What do you mean no go that door? Lele.
If you open this door, you no go like me. If you open this door,
I'm
I go bite you. Holy boy.
You don't know me. You know
who you be? Thunder go tell me. Thunder. Come open the car. You're welcome. How may we be? How may I be of help to you?
Madam, don't mind him. Let me be the original house help. Talk to me, ma. Talk to me, ma. I am the special house help in this house.
You will Riamusu, not only original. You be Riamusu. Who make you original? See, I am the chief. In fact, I am like a chief cornerstone in this house. So use me as you must use me. Ask me whatever you want. I'm going to render it to you.
Mad! Now me, the owner of this house, the general, higher. So who gets authority? Don't be me. So talk to me directly, ma. Talk to me, ma. Any other person na fake, let me be original.
Go and sit down.
Come on, go and sit down.
You were hired. You see, I'm hired purchase, your time has expired. So I am the person that was employed by the madam of the house. The madam of the house employed me with her full chest. So I am the original house help of this house. You are a stranger, and the stranger will be a region. And go and give me
when? You will go. You will be the one to go.
You are to
actually you came here first before me.
They say ladies first.
Yes.
Ladies first.
Now it is a man first.
Men
you came here before me. You will leave.
Men me wagon. Men kill you there.
Idiot.
You are already on your way.
You are idiot.
You are
idiot.
You are a fool.
You are a fool.
Get out, let me move.
Hey ma, you want to go?
My friend, get out of my way.
Shut up.
Ma, you want to go? Calm down. Let's arrange the way.
Get out of her way.
Get out. Get out. Mother want to go.
She make you go. Oh, there is a walla. She's a visitor.
I don't know. Why should go there, Sha? Why what would they shout for?
Now, wow, idiot. God punish you.
God punish you.
Now you pursue her.
Now be you pursue her with your ugly face.
As you take pursue her, I go take pursue.
Monkey, you will go.
I'm at a mini.
Hello?
Are those two what you and your husband have been keeping with you in the name of house help?
My dear, this is what I have to deal with. I have told my husband to send that Olivia girl out. That I already have a help, which is Paulino's, but he has refused.
It was almost as if they were dragging the position among themselves.
I think so. I think so. But I don't need that Olivia girl here. Paulino's is perfect for me.
Does it have anything to do with the trust issue thing? Do you trust your husband?
No, I am my. Help me, I see blood. Help me, I'm in pains.
I just phobia for blood. I beg.
My leg, nail.
Christ of Nazareth. Do it. Where remove her?
No remove him. What kind of sex question be that one? Idiot.
Wait one place. Oh, garlic. You carry one for leg. You want to fight the devil. You want to fight God. Make I summon courage, John. You do the rush me, do something.
What's the name?
If I leave this leg, come there. I will took this
no
leg.
No leave him. You come out and pan.
You push me.
I push you.
Person will come save you. You know what you from na paradise.
No, you will be better person. No, sorry. Sorry, now you save me. Don't pull him. No, madam.
Sorry.
Thank you, yeah. No, madam.
Sorry. Is it paining you?
Satan. No, it's not paining me, sweeting me. What kind of stupid question is that one? Oh, wait. Oh.
Is it paining you too much?
No, it is sweeting me too much. It is sweeting me too much, Paulinus. Hey, didn't want you. Oh,
you get soft body. Just your skin.
Yes, sir. I know now.
Now your type they call on someone.
Uh-huh.
Since I hold you now, so body just they move me. Snake just they walk around me. They rise, they come out. They rise, they come out.
You go leave my leg.
Yes, sir.
You go leave me, Abi. You no go leave me.
No, that person no they follow you play.
Do this thing, make I come out for here.
You see, after this one, I go carry you go down the pharmacy where they down that pharmacy where they are down the street. May they go give you tetanus injection to prevent you from contacting more disease. Because this thing will do you like this. Now very big thing, no. And that nail why I come out, it don't rust. So now this kind nail they give person dangerous affliction. Yes. So they match leg for ground small. Why we take step. Even now this kind of thing I kill my grandma. Yes, now my grandma match nail into a jirikwili apatiozu. So when they she match her, so the thing can't enter. We no remember give tetanus. Tetanus enter her leg, they cut her through the pains. She couldn't survive.
God forbid me, I no go die, yo. They don't go cut this leg. I don't say you no like me, Paulinus. Now make you they wish me death. On top of me, they wish me they cut my leg.
I know say
it not go work for you.
You talk like that.
What do you talk now?
I just said my grandma. I'm just giving you story. That's the reason we need to go for pharmacy. May they give you tetanus injection to prevent you from contacting what will lead to cutting off your leg.
That's true. Let's see you acting like doctor.
Doctor Dave, our family have a medical terms in our lineage. My father died a doctor. My mother was a nurse. Yes.
So why didn't you go to school since both your parents were learned and exposed?
The long story.
Very
bad.
Olivia.
Sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How's your leg now?
Still hot. I just came back from the pharmacy where I went to take a tetanus injection.
Oh. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
You are going to be fine, okay?
Thank you, sir.
Did anything happen today in my absence?
Apart from the car that came to pick Madam up today, nothing suspicious happened again. Yes, sir.
The car?
Yeah.
Did you see the driver of the car?
No, I did not see any driver. Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, all right?
Thank you, sir.
You can go back.
Thank you, sir.
This one where you go meet Oga, who knows the level of information you have fed him with?
My brother, there's no information to give you.
You lie. You. How do you want me to believe you? Even when there's no information, I've always known you to be a manufacturer or manufacturer of information. You must manufacture something to make it real. Maybe you again.
The truth of the matter is that I'm tired. Yes, I am tired. But I don't want to be the loser.
Me too, I'm tired though. I'm tired. And I don't also want to be a loser. That's the reason I still push harder and harder to maintain the standard we have built already. I know it's not going to be easy, but we gotta do what we gotta do. We gotta do what we gotta do. Yeah.
Polly, thank you so much for treating my leg today. Honestly, I wasn't expecting that help from you.
I'm not that heartless. I did what I should do. Oh yes. I have always been like that. Just that you've not really figured out the interesting part of me. My church mind is very spacious. That it can accommodate everybody. Just that you've not seen the sweeter part of me. And all those things you see me do around you. Nah, Gigi. Initial gara. No be like say they come out from me. Yeah, we are just rivals. We are not enemies. Each time I see you with that otito, I mean, I develop more anger because that otito is good for nothing. He doesn't deserve you.
The truth is that I don't fancy that Otito. Don't like him. I don't even want to have anything to do with him. It's just that I was just using him to get your attention.
My attention?
Yes. I like you.
Did I just hear you well?
Yes. I've always liked you. That first day we saw at that interview, I like you well now. It's just that after the interview, a lot of things happened. We entered this house and started fighting, quarreling. So I'm not going to get chance to see you much I like you.
Oh, this one don't sweet my heart. Wait a minute. I hope it's not what I'm thinking. I hope it's not one of your tactics to execute your new plans.
See, Polly, I know you like him and I like you too. Since we like each other, let's learn to trust each other. Yes. Let's just allow the feelings we have for each other to flow. You see, Madam and Oga, their problem in this house is that they don't trust each other. Yes, that is what they are suffering from. Lack of trust. So, and I don't want that to happen to us. This is real. I like it.
Somebody should wake me up from this dream.
No, you are not dreaming. This is real.
Like, real?
Real.
Oh.
What is it? Tito? What is it now?
Don't think why I don't beg you. Now I apologize for you. I beg now, forgive me.
If you like, apologize the whole year. If you like, take megaphone and scream it to the whole world. I don't care. You know, yeah? I don't care, Tito. Yes.
See. This thing now, why I don't beg you since. You know one give me, oh. You know one give me, oh. You know want to now carry this now and go and be giving Paulinus up here.
Give you which thing? Which thing? Otito, I never had the plan of giving you anything. Yes! I thought you have phobia for blood. Well, news flash. I am still a virgin.
I know why now. See, if I did do one, I will just close my eyes so I know we see blood.
Really? So you don't have phobia entering a virgin, but you have helping her when she is injured. Hi, Otito. You are an evil man. Eh? See, if you touch me again in this house, you will not like what I will do to this your useless manhood. That is if you have one. Eh? Yes.
Remember how we...
Come on, get us from here. Idiot.
Asa. Papa, you will not listen now. You will not listen now. No, that's what I expect you. I am so will kill you.
Thunder fire you, the idiot. No, come and drink the blood of the baby. You have phobia for wood, but you don't have phobia for Kalagani. One you do about one I'm off here. No, come and you are disappointed by love.
Hi, baby.
And where are you coming from?
Well, somewhere in Nigeria where my girls and islands have fun.
I can see.
How are you?
Uju, I can see you had a life planned already, knowing that I'm going to ask you. Who came to pick you? And what happened to your car?
Oh, well. I can see your little parrots fed you with some lies. Well, in case she lied to you, let me fill you in on how my day went. You see, I hope she told you that I tried my car and it wouldn't start. I called the services of a mechanic and he wouldn't answer me. I also had to call an Uber. I hope she told you the color of the Uber. I mean, the car that came to pick me. And I hope she told you the fine young man that actually came to open the door for me. Oh, did she forget to tell you about how gorgeous I was looking this one? I was looking actually really good. I was looking really good. In case she didn't tell you more, I can actually still go on, I had so much fun. It was a blast, baby.
You know what they say? Every day for the thief, and one day for the owner. I'll catch you.
I love you.
When you have taken the leather, when you hear the sound, that's the sound of an apple. When apple is not ripe very well, to make a noise. Animal, what who could be that untrained animal?
Yes, Uju. Where's my wife?
Are you supposed to be asking me of your wife? Mommy will ask you where is your wife.
Listen. I am not here to play games with you. Alright? Blood will flow tonight if you do not provide my wife. Where's my wife?
Provide his wife.
How another person go marry, another person go provide?
I am warning you for the last time. You know, I've always told you I'm going to kill you. Tonight I will kill you if you do not provide my wife. Now! Where's my wife?
Shouting. What's going on? What happened?
Let me say wahala.
What's happening?
Your wife with this.
What happened?
Where were you?
I was in the restroom. I heard you when you ran out. I was even calling your name. You didn't answer me. What's going on? Why are you strangling him? What happened?
Well, I thought you were in his room.
Let do you what? You thought I was in his room. Is that how you think of me? This low? I'm really disappointed. Honestly, you are impossible. Good night, sir.
Uju!
Do you think we're doing the right thing by fueling the distrust and conflict between Oga and Madam?
What would they ask us to do?
Paulinus, now that I'm experiencing how sweet love is, I want to create more love than hatred.
How do you achieve that?
I think we can help Oga and Madam get back what they have lost.
How?
What is it you want us to talk about?
I want us to have a heart-to-heart talk.
A heart-to-heart talk.
I have some questions, and I would like you to answer me with all honesty and sincerity. Please, sir.
Why do I have this feeling that this your question is not going to be good?
A song they heard at a bar connected them together.
So, what next?
Perhaps if they hear the song together again, it will trigger their memories to the good old days when they were passionately in love with each other. They will wonder what went wrong, discover it, and fix it.
How do we not get the song?
Leave that to me. What is remaining now is a speaker.
That won't be a problem. I have one. No issue with that one.
Talk about love, talk about trust. That's all we need to live together. I'll show you my heart, then you show me yours. We'll have to believe in what we share. When I say that I love you, oh darling, I mean it. When I said I do, I mean every word of it, yeah, yeah. When I keep mute, it's cause I need your gentle words on me, yeah. When I shout, oh, it's cause I need you to see my heart, yeah, yeah. Trust and love, oh. Trust and love, that's so I need to live together, yeah. Trust and love, oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Trust and love, baby. Trust and love, that's all we need to live together now.
Uju, this used to be our favorite song. We enjoy singing alongside with it together.
You see, that song was our binding song. It connected us together. And it made us stronger. That song made me too. Made us fall in love with each other. And it made me never to want to be with another person.
Remember on that day we danced together to the song?
I do.
The feeling I had was beyond love making. I wanted more. I wanted you to myself. Jesus. How did we get here, Uju? How?
I don't know. But what I am sure about is that I love you so much. Jeffrey, I love you so much.
I love you too. I'm sorry for not trusting you. I'm sorry for not trusting you.
I'm sorry too. I love you.
I love you.
Trust and love, trust and love. Oh, baby. I need you to see my heart, see my soul. Oh, baby. No one can take your place. No one can take your place. Oh.
What?
I miss this moment.
I did too.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
What are you thinking?
Something is unusual.
Right?
Yeah. Are you sure Paulinus and Olivia are still alive?
Of course. Maybe they are still sleeping.
I don't know. But I noticed something between the two of them. Maybe they spend the night together.
What is this?
Dear Oga and Madam, by the time you are reading this letter, we would have long gone, as we do not want to cause more problems between both of you.
You two are good people and deserve to love yourselves as well as live happily.
We regret the times we made you quarrel amongst yourself, but we are glad we were able to make things right before we left.
Love is a beautiful thing, but it cannot thrive without trust and respect. We hope you and Oga will learn to trust each other and live in peace and harmony all the days of your union.
As for us, we will go to a quiet place where we will start afresh together.
Babe. I love you.
I love you too,
As we don't settle them now, we can go and live our life happy.
See a lot. Wait. Enjoy your life. Have this together. We are millionaires! Hey! Oh, thank you. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you. Thank you, Jesus. The God of the poor. Thank you. You have taken us away from poverty to richity. Yes, richity. Poverty to richity. Ebe. I'm so happy. Me too. Let's go. Hey, Okusuku. Nabude. Thank you. Let's go. Yes, sir.
Talk about love.
Exactly. The car called the dog.
Talk about trust. That's all we need to live together. I'll show you my heart, then you show me yours. We'll have to believe in what we share. When I say that I love you, oh darling, I mean it. When I said I do, I mean every word of it, yeah. When I keep mute, was cause I need your gentle words.